Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your text with a wavy effect on CapCut. So first, you need to use a black background from the stock videos, then just add your text. And here I'm going to just change the font first. Okay, I'm going to use this one, and after that you can just export it. Okay, click on done and start a new project with the video that you've just exported. And here, go to the video effects, find the distortion category and then select the ripple distortion. Adjust it like this. So for the sharpen, lower it to around 20. And then the blur 0, size 60, and speed 55, intensity 0, and then lastly twist 45. And after that, just go back and click on the check icon, and now go to the video effects again, find the texture category, and then select the doodle diary one. This one's right here. Adjust the texture and also color to 0, and for the speed around 80, and then stickers and filter also 0. And after that, you can just go back, click on the check icon, and then you'll have that wavy attacks for a wavy effect for your text like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.